Oh, it's Ted from The Devil's in the Detail. I thought I'd show just a small section of the service history of this Sieera Cosworth. Firstly, it's one former keeper, and then the supplying dealer, which was Alexander's. There's every invoice all the way through to 1997 in that pile. Here the service book actually ran out, and then for some reason Graham Goode started looking after the car, and this is for a full engine rebuild and upgrade. You know, there's 3 pages of let's have a look, all the parts that was changed. There's no date on these, unfortunately, for me to clarify when it was done. But of course the car's been fully restored since. This is the last MOT, which is now expired because I've been away from work for a year or more. And then we get to the folder with the rest of the invoices, and there's too many to lay out. It's had so much work done and money spent on this car. It's probably more than what the car's up for sale for. Plus, it's been fully restored, but I've never seen a service history by the same dealer go so far. And of course, we all know who Graham Goode is, and there are more and more invoices in this pile. Well worth a viewing if anybody's interested in the car. As you can understand, the car, you know, it's been properly done, even down to, you could see the spare wheels as new, all the felt, everything under the floor as new. The interior is original but clean. It has got the 2 cracks in the dash panel as all, but you know, all the glass is absolutely mint. Believe that was all changed for new. It's just what you'd expect from a restored car. The pictures are already on of the car, and I will get some more. Unfortunately the battery's failed, so I've been this morning and purchased a new battery. All I can say is, you know, come and have a look at it. You know, you won't be able to fault the service history on the car or the work that's been done. So this pile goes all the way from November 87 all the way through to 97, and there's every service, every spark plug, every oil change. The car was obviously very well looked after, and like I say, I haven't even gone through these individually. There's that many of them. I'd spend all day looking. So come and have a look. You know, this is well worth the money. You can have a look on, you know, the cars for sale, you know, and see what they're going for. So I think this is quite an investment bargain for somebody. Well, there you go, and I'll show more later.